Welcome back, children. So, this is the continuation video of the chapter Our Environment for the students of Standard 5. So, now let me explain you about global warming. The term global warming refers to the phenomenon of increasing global temperatures due to massive cutting down of trees and burning of fossil fuels. So, the term global warming refers to the phenomenon of increasing global temperature. Why? Due to the massive cutting down of trees and burning of fossil fuels. The fuels that we use every day in our cars release gases which are called greenhouse gases. These gases trap the heat of the sun in the atmosphere. Initially, this helped in maintaining the temperature of the earth, but with overuse of fuels and increasing population, the amount of greenhouse gases increased and the greenhouse effect became stronger. This has resulted in global warming. You might have noticed your parents remarking that the summers have become more severe over the last few years. This is because of global warming. Then come to the next page. The effect of global warming are being felt all over the world. So, the effect of global warming is automatically being felt all over the world. Some of these are polar ice caps are melting, which has resulted in an increase in the sea levels. If it is not checked very soon, the tiny island nations would disappear under the sea. So, the first one is polar ice caps are melting, resulted in increase of sea level, and if it is not checked very soon, so what will happen? Tiny island nations would disappear under the sea. Then second point, weather patterns all over the world have changed. The world is now witnessing extreme temperatures, with some countries experiencing droughts and others experiencing terrible floods. Now that it is becoming very common, drought and flood in the country. Then next point, people are having trouble in coping with these climatic changes. People whose livelihood depends on natural sources are in danger of losing it. Then, therefore, what can be said to be a local event has set off a chain reaction which has affected people all over the world. So, now, in order to reverse the damage caused to the environment and stop the ill effect of the global warming from spreading, people have now started to use alternate sources to produce clean energy. Sources such as wind and sun are being utilized in order to produce electricity. If we all resolve to conserve energy and use these alternate sources, we can make the great impact on the health of our environment. So, children, it is on our hand. It is in our hand that how we can protect our environment from being disturbed. So, it is our duty that we should look after these resources. We should use these resources in limited quantity so that in future our earth would be a better place for all of us. Thank you.